You didn't get that on film, did you?
Oh, I got it all.
I know. Right there in front of me. Perfect. Perfect.
Figured out the weak spot, go left.
Yeah, yeah, that's, yeah, yeah. Right-handed shooter always has trouble going left.
Yeah.
When tramping skeet, left-handed shooters can't, you know.
Sounds like a lot of excuses over
I'm
there.
telling you. I'm telling you. It's the damn truth.
Need to stretch before you come out here.
Yeah, well, I tell you. Yeah, you're right-handed. Yeah, you're right. You did. Those left. You turn all the way right. That left.
Yeah.
Left-handed shooter.
Yeah. Push the feet up in a hurry.
Yeah. Trap club, you know, and damn. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta get one. Kind of gray, just a little.
That's my kind of point right there. I'm a little more serious. Focus is a lot short. Wolf, Eddie. Wolf. She don't know where it is. She can just smell it. You can see her eyes moving around. Okay. Where'd you pick up on it?
That's something.
Something was there.
It was.
Misty. Misty. Come here. Here. You got it. I go water there. I know you like water. Like a camel. Keep carrying that head real high like you smell it way off.
Right.
That's serious. Her ass is down and her head, after that head's down. Whoop! Normally, people like them stuff.
Oh yeah, great picture.
Right on, that's there.
Bunch of what?
Feathers.
Feathers, yeah.
Okay, miss. Like a hot got a hold of something. They're warm too. Chukar feathers. Probably what I heard this morning.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Sit in. He sound like he's having a hard time getting up.
They did.
Come here, Misty. Here. Misty. Come here. Hey, you know better than that. Just excited.
Just excited. Rooster.
Whoop.
That's sweet that they honor that. Man, so good.
But a lot of it too is, a lot of it's natural.
Yeah.
Well, some of them you have to, so Sadie up there, one on point, sometimes I have to bust her ass for it.
Yeah.
And she was my first one, and she just, when I started bringing in the dogs, she was like, you're bringing in other dogs?
Yeah.
Being a real diva.
Chukar, Dad.
Yep.
Got your gun ready?
Ready? Ready.
Couldn't even see it, man. Fredo's all that.
I saw you go like this.
Wow.
Catch it up.
Dogs.
Girl, Sadie.
Man.
Right there.
Oh.
Right there.
Good dog.
Prancing around like a little prized possession, huh? Yeah. Come here. Sadie. Sadie. Come here. Sadie.
Yeah, I tell you.
Thank
What
it.
do you want to drink?
I didn't see a dang thing but sun. That's that first day, not
Huh. So you just stay on that side then.
Yeah. I couldn't. Woo, wait.
I'd love to have a little piece of land like this, just come out here and
You know what? How many acres you got there? I think we've got around 1,500 between the seven. They're all about 150, 175 acre tracts, except for the number 3 up there.
Hey.
That's pretty small.
he just uses it for hunting, or does he?
Yeah, that's all it is.
Does, yeah.
Just preserve.
Nice.
So the guy that,
The individual on it?
yeah, the guy that lives in that house right there, he owns all of this. And then the guy y'all met earlier, Randy, he's the, I should say my boss. He owns the pit reserve, or does all the preserve stuff. He just lives in the land company.
I got it.
But the people that live there, the wife, was Randy's science teacher in like grade school.
How crazy is that? I guess he passed her class because he gets to hunt out here. So.
Just get him out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that guy's got a gold mine. He gets all the, you know, the CRP payment from the
Payment, yeah.
and then he gets paid for, you know, from Randy for letting him lease it. Like them boys just let their birds out the crate. Come on, Sadie.
When I open it, y'all shoot.
Sadie. Sadie.
Alright guys, at this point we hadn't seen many birds and it was getting really hot. The dogs were getting tired, so we were about to head back to the truck and we wanted to check this last little section up here. So I think the dogs get on some scent and we blast a couple more birds before getting another break with the truck.
Well, I was hoping that boy was that hot to get everything all stirred up.
Yeah, for sure.
Push the wind.
Dad, get ready. Maybe you should shoot number 4s.
A little bit more up.
Okay. No way over. Sadie, here. Sadie.
A little slow on the draw there today.
Yeah. Hold that gun just a minute, sir. Okay, we're coming. I get these gloves off here.
Gotcha. All right, Dad.
I'm coming. I'm
Let's
coming.
roll.
I got you.
Okay, perfect. Sorry. Said sorry. We were just chilling.
Oh, you're good. I was going to find another one.
Yeah, worked out good.
Yeah, found you sucker, didn't you?
Take it.
Catch it up, Misty. Catch it up. Catch it up. That our girl, Sadie.
Good dog.
Come here. Hey, that's a good girl. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Oh, you need a drink? Yep, okay. Retrieve for a drink. I got you. Alright, let's go. Let's go find that other one. Reach out. Come on. Oh, good. You're right up there, Ed. Sadie, come here. Come here, Sadie. Dead. Dead bird in here. Dead. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Whoop. We made it. Could be dead. I don't know if this one's dead or not. He's getting away. Good girl, Miss
Good
Kitty.
dog.
Come here. Here. Misty, hold. Good girl.
Good girl. Good job. Had a little lead in it, but
Enough to slow him down.
thought I made him go a little bit faster, but we got him.
Good girl, Katie. I knew you'd find it. I knew you'd find it. Yeah. You can't have my fingers. Go find his friends. Yeah, go find his friends.
There you now.
Good girl. Let's go. What do you think? What's the matter? Come on. Her on the Ouch. So keep sweeping back that way. Just keep hunting these singles, I guess.
Good with it.
I like them when they're covied up, but
Yeah.
we'll see, I guess. Oh, we're down. Whoa, Sadie. It's here. Somewhere. Whoa! Coming to you.
Shoot it, Dad.
Whoa, Misty. Whoa. Whoa. Sadie. Misty, whoa. You just walked right through there, too. Me and you both.
I know, right?
Whoa. Need a breather?
The Cabana girls will be out here later.
Yeah, that's right.
busted them from there. This Q didn't have enough. He's full over there barking.
He's like, I'm ready to roll.
He doesn't run very hard, so he don't ever get tired.
Yeah. He's got a good little pace. Yeah.
Maybe right there. Whoop.
That'll do it. Well, you clean that one too.
Jeez, I was trying to. Yeah.
Yeah, you down there.
Not expecting him to be there.
I did not expect that either.
I was expecting that other chucker.
Yeah.
Misty.
Good dogs. Rooster!
Misty. Misty, sorry.
Whoever.
You with the bird.
Yeah, that's it.
Did it destroy it or?
No, ain't even hurt.
Nice.
Well, just
Well, just a little.
Shove it in the head.
A little bit.
you won't be back.
Nah.
You got it.
Nice little surprise rooster.
For sure.
I thought it was that dang chucker.
I did too. I didn't see him. He come out and hit me with his wings coming up. That was the hell of him. She wasn't very intense on that point either.
No.
I was kind of doubting her. I was like, ah, you're full of shit.